Open your browser and type Google Dialogflow. Then open Dialogflow. Then in Dialogflow, create a new agent. Give a name. Select your time zone. Create an agent. Then inside intents, there will be two intent, default fallback and default welcome. So welcome intent will be when someone sends a welcome message, what reply should be sent, that should be inside the welcome intent. And if someone sends something that doesn't fall under the keyword, it should come inside the fallback intent. So first we'll configure the welcome intent. So open welcome intent. So this will be the welcome message or the welcome chatbot reply. So if someone sends hello, hi, hey there, the chatbot should reply this message. So if someone sends hello, the chatbot will automatically reply, hi, how are you doing? Okay, so this is default text response. If you want to add buttons, you have to click on add, then Google Assistant, then add responses, then you have to select suggestion chips. So let's just say you want to add two buttons. Button number 1 will be services, then button number 2 will be support. Let's just say this is a service company chatbot. So now we've added the welcome message with two buttons. Okay, then save it. Okay, it's saved now. Then beside your agent, click on the settings button, click on the project ID, click on go to project settings, select service accounts, you create service account, give a name, create and continue, then select a role, select Dialogflow, API client, and click on continue, then click on done. Now click on the three-dot action button, select manage keys, Then add a new key. Create new key. Select JSON. Click on create. Now the key has been downloaded. Select the key. Then log into your account dashboard. Then click on manage. Then Dialogflow integration. Then click on change key, upload key. Select the key you've just downloaded. Then click on save. Now the key has been uploaded. Now you can test the chatbot to see if it is working or not. Now send a message to your chatbot number. And you can see the chatbot is working now.